Questions 1 through 10 on the 2018 Grade 9 Pascal Math Contest. Which of the following is the smallest number? Among these numbers, we have this is 2, this is 2.1, so those are obviously the two largest. And then the other three, among those, the smallest is 1.2. So number 1, the answer is B. The value of 2018 minus 18 plus 20 over 2 is? Well, the numerator looks like 2020, and then divide by 2, and that is, of course, 1010. So number 2, the answer is A. July 3rd, 2030 is a Wednesday. What day of the week is July 14th, 2030? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Make a little table, or calendar, I should say. So July 3rd is on a Wednesday, right? So 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. So the 14th is a Sunday. So number 3, the answer is C. An electric car is charged 3 times per week for 52 weeks. The cost to charge the car each time is $0.78. What is the total cost to charge the car over 52 weeks? So 3 times per week, 52 weeks, each time, 0.78. And when you do that multiplication, you get 121.68, and that is in dollars. So the answer is E for number 4. If this equals this, what is the possible value of n? Okay, well, we can cross out the 3, another 3, and another 7. So all we are left with is 5 times 9 is equal to n squared. Well, 5 times 5 times 9, I believe, is 225. And if you take the square root of both sides, you get 15. So number 5, the answer is A. In the diagram, 18 identical 1 by 2 rectangles are put together to form a 6 by 6 square. Part of the square is shaded. As shown, what percentage of the area of the 6 by 6 square is shaded? Okay, well, they've drawn a line from one end to the other. So what that essentially does is it splits that box into half. So if this is A, this is also A. And then what they've done is in the next box, I guess, they've again split it into half by drawing a line down the diagonal. So if this is B, this is B. So the area of the shaded region is A plus B, and the total area of the entire shape is 2A plus 2B. So if you factor out an A plus B, it really just becomes A plus B over 2A plus B, which is just 1 over 2. So it's a half, which is 50%. So number 6, the answer is A. A box contains 5 black ties, 7 gold ties, and 8 pink ties. Stephen randomly chooses a tie from the box. Each tie is equally likely to be chosen. The probability that Stephen chooses a pink tie is equal to. Well, the probability is 8 because there's 8 pink ties over the total, which is 5 plus 7 plus 8. So 8 over, what's that, 20? And in lowest terms, of course, that's 2 over 5. So number 7, the answer is C. In the diagram, the number lines between 0 and 5 is divided into 20 equal parts. The numbers S and T are marked on the line. What is the value of S plus T? Well, to get the value of each of those segments, we have to divide 20 by 5. And when you do, you get 0.25. So each of those is 0.25. So now let's figure out what is S and T. S looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 of those dashes or points. So each of those is 0.25. So 5 times 0.25 is 1.25. Now let's figure out T. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 times 0.25 is the value for T, and that is 3.75. So what do they want? S plus T. Well, S plus T is 1.25 plus 3.75, which is equal to 5. So number 8, the answer is E. The symbols heart and triangle represent different positive integers less than 20. If heart times heart times heart is triangle, what is the value of triangle times triangle? So let's try 1. 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1. But that doesn't work because they have to be different. The heart and the triangle have to be different, right? So obviously this one doesn't work. So let's try 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Okay, that seems to work. Any others that I can get? 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. No, because 27 is obviously not less than 20. So this is the only one. So that obviously means that the heart is equal to 2 and the triangle is equal to 8. So triangle times triangle obviously is going to be 8 times 8, which is 64. So number 9, the answer is D. Which of the following points lies on the line that passes through negative 2, 1 and 2, 5? Well, let's draw a little graph here, and let's see what we get. First, I'll just make the sketch. Minus 2, 1. So minus 2 is here, 1 is here. So there's the point, minus 2, 1. And then 2, 5. So 2 is here, 5 is approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is here. Now, you have two choices in this question. You can just do it approximately. You just connect them in a very crude way, right? And you say, well, it looks like of the answer choices, this one passes through that line. And, that's a perfectly fine way of doing it. Or you could do it the more scientific way, which is actually figuring out the equation of the line. And it won't take that long. Just substitute in that point, and when you do, you get 1 is equal to minus 2m plus b. Substitute that point, and you get 5 is equal to 2m plus b. Adding these two, you get 6 is equal to 2b, and b, therefore, is 3. And then you substitute that into any of these to get the value for m. 5 will be 2m plus 3, and therefore m is equal to 1. So very quickly, we were able to get the equation. It's x plus 3. And this point 0, 3 does indeed satisfy that equation. When x is 0, y is, of course, 3. So either way, this is, of course, the better way. But even this way, when you drew the graph, you'll be able to get the answer. Number 10, therefore, is C.